God said, "Let there be light in the firmament of the heavens, to separate the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons, and for days and years. And let there be light in the firmaments of the heavens, to give light upon the earth." And it was so. And God made the two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also. And God set them in the firmament of the heavens, to give light upon the earth, to rule over the day and over the night, and to separate the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. The word of the Lord.